Hello friends, and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Okay, get your aprons on because we're gonna make a really yummy sheet pan dinner. I'm really starting to get into these. I've pinned a lot over the last year and I'm finally going to do some. So today we're gonna make a shrimp boil sheet pan dinner. Careful how you say that. I'm just eyeballing the main ingredients for what I know how much my family will eat, okay? Let me share with you what you're gonna need for this dinner. So I have 2 pounds of raw shrimp. I am going to take the tails off before I put them on the sheet pan. I have some cooked uncured Polish sausage, and then we have some Old Bay seasoning with some corn on the cob. We're gonna cut these, and then we have some little new potatoes, and then some garlic, some unsalted butter, and then you can hit it with fresh parsley at the end. I don't have any, I'm just gonna use some dried parsley. So let's get going on this meal. Okay friends, if you have made the sheet pan dinner, please leave what you have done down below, what you've tried, what has been yummy, what you've added. This is so exciting. I really love dinners like this. My mom used to cook like this when we were younger, and so I think that's why I was attracted to it. So give this recipe a shot. It was so yummy, and I am like the past few weeks been enjoying Old Bay seasoning on corn on the cob. I've been cooking up the corn on the cob in the Instapot. So good if you've never done that before. If you have fresh, really good corn, 2 minutes, just throw a cup of water in there. If it's not like this corn and you need to eat it up, 1 minute. So there you have it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye. I have some Teton water ranch cooked cured polish. Oh my gosh. I have some cooked uncured polish. Oh my gosh.